Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's great to see you again, my friend. Today we will talk about something very simple and very real, your daily routine. Talking about your day helps you practice English every single day.
We will use easy words, short sentences, and slow speech. No difficult grammar, just natural conversation.
Before we start, please click like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend. Your support really helps us grow.
Get your notebook or open your phone notes. And don't forget, you can download the free worksheet in the description below.
All right, everyone, take a deep breath. Let's start with the morning.
So, Tom, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
First, I wake up. Repeat after me. I wake up. Then I stretch my arms. Repeat. I stretch my arms.
That feels good. I usually get out of bed around 7 o'clock. After that, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Me too. I also drink a glass of water. It helps me feel fresh. Repeat. I drink water in the morning.
Good habit. After that, I go to the kitchen and make coffee. Oh, I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Same here. I can't live without my morning coffee. But sometimes I drink tea if I'm trying to be healthy.
I understand. After my coffee, I take a shower and get dressed. When I work from home, I wear comfortable clothes. No fancy shirts today.
For breakfast, I usually eat toast with jam or yogurt with fruit. Repeat. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee.
I like eggs and sometimes cereal. After breakfast, I read the news for 5 minutes. It helps me know what's happening in the world.
So, after breakfast, you start your workday, right?
Yes, I check my emails and plan my day.
Same here. Let's review. Wake up. Brush teeth. Eat breakfast. Start work. Say it slowly with us.
Good job. You can write your own morning routine in your worksheet after the lesson.
And if you're learning English, talk about your morning every day. Even one sentence helps.
That's right. You can say, I wake up at 6, or I eat breakfast at 7.
The more you repeat, the faster you learn.
Hey, Tom, after working for a few hours, do you ever take a short break?
Oh, yes. Around 10 o'clock, I usually take a short break. I stand up, stretch my back, and drink a little more water. Repeat. I take a short break in the morning.
That's good. I like to have a small snack, maybe a banana or a cookie. It gives me more energy.
Nice. I sometimes listen to quiet music or go outside for fresh air.
That's a great idea. Fresh air helps your brain relax.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference.
Friends, what do you do during your short break? Do you drink coffee, stretch your body, eat a snack?
Try to speak it in English. Say, I take a break. I drink water. I relax.
Good job. Let's move to the afternoon. Now, let's talk about the afternoon. What do you usually do after lunch, Tom?
The afternoon is my busy time. I write scripts for our podcast and sometimes record new episodes.
That's true. I usually have meetings or prepare lesson materials for our students.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
Around 1 o'clock. I like to eat something light, maybe a salad or soup.
I cook at home too. Sometimes chicken and vegetables, sometimes rice. If I'm lazy, leftovers.
Me too. Do you take a break after lunch?
Yes, a short one, maybe 15 minutes. I walk outside or stretch. Repeat. I take a short break.
That's healthy. I usually listen to music or rest my eyes. After the break, I go back to work until 5 or 6 o'clock.
Same here. I finish tasks, reply to emails, and plan the next day.
Let's review together. I eat lunch, I take a short break, I work in the afternoon.
Perfect. Don't forget, you can write your lunch and work activities in the worksheet. There's a section called My Afternoon.
And if you're at school, you can write, I study in the afternoon, or I play with friends.
Good idea. You can even record your voice. Say your afternoon routine out loud. It will help you speak more confidently. So, Anna, how do you relax after work?
First, I change my clothes and prepare dinner. Cooking helps me relax. Repeat, I cook dinner in the evening.
That's nice. I sometimes try new recipes. Last week I made spaghetti. It was a little too spicy.
Oh no, I usually make something simple. Rice, soup, or vegetables.
After dinner, I like to watch a show or listen to music. Sometimes I call my family and talk about our day.
That's lovely. I often take a short walk outside. It feels good to get some fresh air and move a little.
Good idea. When do you usually go to bed?
Around 10 or 11. Before sleep, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read a few pages of a book.
I like to take a warm shower before bed. It helps me sleep better. Repeat. I take a shower. I go to bed at 10.
Nice! Everyone, say your evening routine out loud. I eat dinner. I watch TV. I read a book. I go to bed.
Excellent. Now you can talk about your full day, from morning to night, in English.
Yes, and remember, good sleep gives you good energy for the next day.
Anna, do you ever do something special before sleeping?
Yes. Sometimes I write a short journal. I write 1 or 2 sentences about my day. Repeat, I write in my journal.
That's a great idea. I sometimes make a short list for tomorrow, like buy groceries, call my friend, finish lesson notes.
Oh yes, I do that too. It helps me feel ready for the next day.
Also, I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed.
That's smart. No phone, no noise, just peace.
Exactly, and I like to thank God for the day. I say, thank you for today. Repeat, thank you for today.
Beautiful. Gratitude makes sleep peaceful.
Anna, what about weekends? What do you do on Saturdays or Sundays?
Weekends. I like to relax and do small things I don't have time for during the week. I wake up later, maybe around 8 or 9.
That sounds nice. I also sleep a little longer. Then I make pancakes or eggs for breakfast. Repeat. I make pancakes.
Yum! Sometimes I meet my friends at a cafe or go for a walk in the park.
I usually go grocery shopping or clean my apartment. Repeat. I clean my home.
That's good. I like to listen to podcasts or learn new English words on weekends.
Great idea. And I sometimes watch English movies with subtitles. It's a fun way to practice English too.
So, everyone, what do you do on weekends? Do you rest, study, or go out?
Write it in your worksheet or tell a friend in English.
Let's review. I sleep late. I cook breakfast. I relax. I meet friends. I clean my home.
Perfect practice.
Before we finish, let's share some English tips.
Yes, tip number 1, speak a little every day. Even 5 minutes of speaking helps your brain remember new words.
Tip number 2, listen to short English conversations like this one. Repeat after us and copy our rhythm.
Tip number 3, write small sentences about your day. You can say, I woke up, I worked, I ate dinner.
And tip number 4, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Right. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make one, you learn something new.
Exactly. Keep going, keep smiling, and keep practicing.
And remember, your English is growing every day, little by little. Let's review what we learned today. Morning. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast. Afternoon, work, have lunch, take a break. Evening, cook dinner, relax, sleep. Weekend, rest, clean, meet friends, watch movies. Repeat after us. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I work, I cook dinner, I go to bed.
Good. Now, let's practice using order words. First, then, after that, finally. Repeat together. First, I wake up. Then, I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I start work.
Very nice. In your worksheet, you will find 15 questions to review today's words and grammar. There's also one study tip and a personal reflection question. What time do you start your day?
And here's a small speaking challenge for you. Say your full daily routine, morning, afternoon, evening, and weekend, without reading. Try it now.
Don't worry about mistakes. Each mistake helps you improve. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
That's right. And if you listen to this episode again while shadowing our voices, you'll remember everything much faster.
Exactly. Listening and repeating is the best way to train your brain in English. So today, we talked about our daily routine: morning, afternoon, evening, and weekend. Now it's your turn. Anna,
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite part of your day? Or what do you do first in the morning?
we love reading your comments. They help us make better lessons for you. Anna,
And if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's also learning English.
don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for future lessons. Anna,
Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes makes a big difference.
Tom, you did great today. Thank you for learning with us. Anna,
See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Bond.
together.
Bye-bye, everyone.